Best Google campaign for second-hand luxury watches, bags, jewels. Hi Ali, hello. I'm running a search campaign for a second-hand luxury retail e-commerce. I have a tight budget, 750 per month, and I was wondering what are the recommendations for maximizing this budget. Ali, if you have done some campaigns for this industry, and does it make sense to have this kind of budget for a search campaign, or would it be better to change? Okay, so yes, I have worked in industry specifically to luxury watches, bags, and tools. So the most common problem anyone can get over here is the counterfeit suspension. You may have to feel the counterfeit suspension over there, and that is going to take a nightmare to get it restored. So which is why I strongly recommend you to complete your documentations if you are an authorized retailer, if you have documentation, or if you are selling the original one. So you need to have the facts figures clear. Even if you are selling the second hand watches, you may have a documentation to prove that you are not selling counterfeit products. So this is the first thing which I people get it. Now the thing is, my recommendations depends on the number of current sales you are getting and the number of other channels you are running. If you're running meta ads, I may suggest you to do targeting on those. But let's assume that you are just running Google campaign with 750 per month, which is a very tight budget, and you have said yourself, and I'm going to second it, that is a very low budget. So my audience is going to be low, and because there are number of products to promote, and there are number of items too, my recommendation is to go with two campaigns. Okay, one is PMax, second is retargeting. Okay, with the PMax, so it keeps on fluctuating and figure out. So for instance, after running a month for PMax, you get to know 10 working products. Okay, create a specific search campaign for those as well. But because your budget is low, so my assumption is that I'm going to put it on the third number in the future. Run it $500 on this and $150 250 on retargeting. Okay, this is the only and perfect way to get it running and have it tested. And then when we find some working products, we can create specific campaigns for those, but keep your audience location low because your budget is tight. Also look around what your competitors are doing. You may get to find a keyword or something like those from your competitors. Also, you need to have a highly optimized landing page plus highly optimized ad copy. That is the only way to work around with this. And I hope this answers your question or query as well. But in case if you need a detailed audit or professional service, me and my team can help you. We are a Google partner and we offer full-fledged digital marketing services. We are based in UAE and I definitely love to help you. If you want to hire me and my team as a Google partner, which we offer ample of services including Google Ads, you can hire us through the link in the description or in the first comment of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. And yeah, I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye-bye.